TEDx Aruba is a platform to bring awareness regarding the island's green movement, but the ultimate goal is to drive the island towards another economic pillar. We sat down with the organizers to find out why it is important to invest in TEDx rather than implementing something more practical. The TEDx platform requires an investment that can be directed elsewhere. Members part of TEDx defends why this strategy of executing this particular idea is important for the island's development.
Like what we've done with Green, the conference, getting the people ready and thinking about the next step was the most important thing. The most important thing was the message, not the actual things. Now with the Green, we've done the actual things, and now it's time to get the message out there for the next step. And we think that the next step is startups and the hub and the connecting Americas, Europe and South America. And we think this is one of the ways to do it. So that's why we chose TEDx.
From an entrepreneur's perspective, John seconds the idea of TEDx adding to the overall success of Aruba's sustainability vision.
I guess, like you asked Elton, you can put the money in something practical, but I believe it's more important to create some kind of movement, to plant the seeds now and build on that to get to the point in the future, to realize the ambition. And for that you have to get people on board, to motivate them, to inspire them, and that's what we're trying to do with this message.
Startups is a crucial part of the big picture when it comes to the TEDx platform. Reason being, organizers want more people on the island to get into startups and begin first steps in contributing to Aruba's new economic pillar.
The last 10 years, more startups have started than ever. In the United States, 1/5 of the students, after they graduate from college, start their own company. And why do they do that? Because the cost of starting a company has become really low. The technology and the web has enabled us to create a company within a couple of months, singly even, without any really big barriers. But when you create a startup, the most important thing is that you're going to start doing things. Most people have ideas about startups. I think if you ask in the room, has anybody idea about a startup? More than 50% will say, yes, I have. But only a couple of people will start a company. And starting a company means starting with actions. Of course you need a plan, but you will elaborate and you have to adapt during the startup of your company, because things will change and it will hit you in the face somewhere. And you have to be able to cope with that. And that's a really big challenge for startups.
Paolo provides a few statistics regarding startups that would intrigue any young entrepreneur on the island.
There was a research last year about startups. And the components that create a success for a startup were researched, and the biggest thing was timing, so the right timing. And the smallest thing was investments. So an investment is important, but it's not the most important component for a startup.
For more information, go to www.tedxaruba.com.